For each form page, you may choose whether to use a single or two-column display. Do be aware, however, that mobile forms will always be displayed in single-column display on a phone in portrait mode. A two-column layout is ideal for a phone in landscape mode or a tablet. The default setting is single-column display, but to change that to a two-column display, drag one or more sections onto the right-hand column. Do of course remember to complete this process for each page of your form. Move sections up and down by dragging them on the page as normal, and if you want to remove the two-column display option for a specific page, click on the Delete button at the top right of the second column. To remove the two-column display option for the entire form, click on the Reset Columns button.